Want to make sure you have the right insurance coverage for your beauty salon? You're in the right place. I'm going to explain exactly what you need. Hi, my name is Ryan Hanley. I'm the founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. If you find this content valuable, please tap that like button. That helps more small business owners find this content. And if you're, for some reason, interested in insurance and want more, hit subscribe. All right, so when it comes to your beauty salon, a couple key coverages. First, you're gonna want a business owner's policy. This is gonna cover general liability. It's gonna cover property coverage for all your stuff. If you own the building you're in, there can be building coverage. You also can add sublimits for things like employment practices liability. So if anything is happening employment related with employees interacting with each other, interacting with management, any wrongful terminations, wrongful hires, discrimination, sexual harassment, any of that kind of stuff, employment practices liability is a huge one. There's also a whole bunch is a very technical term, whole bunch of other coverages that come in a business owner's policy that if you have a loss, especially a large loss, you're gonna want coverage for, and if you were to buy them all separately, it would be way more expensive. So business owner's policy is the way to go. If your employees are not very technically independent contractors, which is rarely the case, you're gonna need workers' compensation, and that will be fairly straightforward to set up. The big one is also professional liability. Beauty salon, beauticians, there is a professional liability exposure for beauticians that you want to have. Many business owners' policies include that, but if it's not specifically included, you want to make sure you have that separate policy as well. And then the last coverage you're going to want to consider is cyber liability. And you may be saying, Ryan, what are you trying to sell me? We're a beauty salon. We don't have a cyber exposure. Well, small businesses, and in particular, Main Street businesses like beauty salons, are one of the primary targets for cyber criminals today, mostly as proxy or jump-off points to do other attacks. So they're essentially hiding their identity through your Wi-Fi network or server system. They also can use your system if they get access to your client base to do phishing attacks or social engineering attacks, where they're essentially acting as if they're you and trying to get more information or money out of your clients. So they really only need an email or a phone number to text. And then also they can lock your entire system down, your billing system, your contact or client management system in a ransomware attack. And even if they get $10,000, $20,000 out of you to unlock a system in a ransomware, that's a win for them because it's very, very easy for them to do that. So cyber liability is the policy that protects you from those kinds of exposure. So this is the basket of coverages that I would consider if I owned a beauty salon, and it is certainly what we recommend to our beauty salon owner clients. If this is the kind of relationship that you like, if you would like to work with us and help us, let us help you find the right insurance carrier and program and pricing for your business, then give us a call, 518-960-6600. If you'd rather start online, roguerisk.com, that's roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a button or a link somewhere around this video that will let you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.